Why starting with 10 push-ups a day is smarter than you think. Not 50, not 100, just 10. Sounds too easy? Or sounds too time-consuming even though it is only 10? 10 push-ups is literally the time it takes when Face ID denies your login because you forgot your glasses. It is the time you turn back to the house and grab your coffee tumbler. Starting with 10 can actually help you build muscle faster because it is something you will stick with. Why do we bring up muscle? Muscle is a critical engine that helps burn fat. Building muscle is not about bulking up at all. To bulk up, that is a completely different conversation. Most people believe that muscle is built by doing more reps, more sets, and more pain. However, science tells a different story. A 2017 study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that even low-resistance exercises like push-ups can build muscle effectively, as long as you train close to failure. That means the set should feel challenging to do 1 or 2 more reps and definitely cannot do 5 more. Now, let us break it down. If you are a beginner and 10 push-ups feel challenging, that is your starting point. Do 3 sets of 10 reps. Rest 1 to 2 minutes between sets. Your focus is on clean form and control. If you are intermediate and 10 feels too easy, I advise you not to jump to 50 right away. You make 10 harder. Slow down your reps. Pause at the bottom. Now those same 10 reps suddenly feel harder. If you are advanced, 10 is just your base. You can elevate your feet and add resistance. The number stays small, but the intensity goes up. That is the real progression. What if you cannot even do 10 push-ups yet, or you are stuck at 0? Then 10 is not your starting point. Starting with 1 is the right move. Nothing wrong with that. 1 perfect form is better than 10 sloppy ones. Begin with wall push-ups. Stand in front of a wall, lower yourself in, and push back. Do it until it feels challenging. Then move to incline push-ups using a bench, a table, or even your desk. Then knee push-ups. And finally, full push-ups. This is your progression. Wall to incline to knees to full. Your version of 10 reps might look different at each stage. And that is exactly how it should be. Progression in strength training is key to building muscle. Start with 10, then add a rep over time, or add a set, or move harder. That is progressive overload. Just keep the consistency and make the effort slightly harder over time. If you are a desk worker, sitting all day weakens your chest, your shoulders, and your upper body. Push-ups are not just about muscle. They help build and strengthen your shoulders, upper body, and our good old core. So 10 reps a day is a powerful routine. Is 10 push-ups a day enough? It is, if it challenges you. It is enough if the 11th or 12th rep is too hard to complete. And if you are not at 10 yet, good. Start where you are, because 1 push-up done properly is still infinitely better than doing none. Thanks for watching. Train smarter, not harder. Subscribe for simple habits that actually change how your body works.